Take a ride in the 2019 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated steering wheel, security system, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.